2025 Yamaha YZ250FX First Look, 9 Fast Facts. Yamaha is back with a refreshed and upgraded version of its highly popular YZ250FX for 2025, a motorcycle designed for off-road enthusiasts who demand power, precision, and durability in a lightweight package. The YZ250FX is known for its versatility, bridging the gap between motocross and enduro, and the 2025 model continues this legacy while adding new features to enhance performance. Here's a first look at 9 fast facts about the 2025 Yamaha YZ250FX. 1. Refined 250 cubic centimeters engine. At the heart of the 2025 YZ250FX is a 250 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine designed to provide a perfect balance of power and performance. Yamaha has fine-tuned the engine to offer strong mid-range power and excellent throttle response, making it ideal for both tight trails and faster, more open terrains. The engine's lightweight design helps maintain the YZ250FX's agile handling while ensuring the bike remains competitive in cross-country and enduro events. 2. Yamaha Power Valve System. The YZ250FX comes equipped with Yamaha's Yamaha Power Valve System and #40, YPVS and #41, which optimizes the power delivery for more consistent performance across the power band. This system allows for smoother power transitions and greater control, especially in technical off-road conditions where power modulation is crucial. 3. Advanced KYB Suspension. For 2025, the YZ250FX benefits from advanced KYB suspension. The bike features a 48mm SSS speed-sensitive system, front fork and a rear shock that offers precise damping adjustments. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or flying over bumps, this suspension setup provides outstanding comfort and control, ensuring maximum performance across all types of terrain. 4. Improved Fuel Delivery System. Yamaha has refined the fuel delivery system on the 2025 YZ250FX, incorporating a new carburetor and a revised intake system for better fuel efficiency and smoother engine response. These upgrades improve throttle control, making the bike more responsive and ensuring consistent performance throughout long rides or races. 5. Enhanced Ergonomics. The 2025 YZ250FX has received an ergonomics update to improve rider comfort and control. With a more rider-friendly seat, revised foot peg position, and narrower bodywork, the bike offers better maneuverability and comfort for long days of riding or competing. The design allows for improved rider movement on the bike, which is essential when tackling demanding off-road conditions. 6. Lightweight Aluminum Frame. The YZ250FX continues to feature a lightweight aluminum frame that provides excellent rigidity for handling while maintaining a low overall weight. This frame, coupled with an improved rear subframe design, enhances the bike's stability and balance, particularly when cornering or navigating challenging sections of the trail. 7. Racing-ready tires and wheels. For 2025, Yamaha has equipped the YZ250FX with high-performance tires and aluminum wheels, designed to offer exceptional traction and durability on various surfaces. Whether you're tackling hard pack, sand, or mud, the tires deliver grip and confidence, giving riders the edge in competitive off-road riding. 8. Modern Digital Meter. The 2025 YZ250FX features an updated digital meter that provides riders with essential information like speed, lap times, and gear position. This high-tech addition allows for easy tracking of ride data, giving racers and enthusiasts the ability to monitor performance during training or competition. 9. Pricing and Availability. The 2025 Yamaha YZ250FX will be available in late 2024 at authorized Yamaha dealerships. The price is expected to start around $8,700, making it a competitive offering in the 250 cubic centimeters enduro segment. Conclusion. The 2025 Yamaha YZ250FX remains one of the most capable and versatile off-road motorcycles available today. With updates to its engine, suspension, ergonomics, and overall design, it promises to deliver even more performance for riders seeking an edge in cross-country, enduro, and recreational riding. Whether you're a competitive racer or a weekend trail rider, the 2025 YZ250FX is built to perform and designed to thrill.